Hi, I'm Alexander Great, and welcome to the Trade Show Marketing Minute, a show that gives you powerful tips to make your next trade show successful in under a minute. Or two. Today I want to talk to you about expecting something to go wrong. Am I being negative here? Look, something is going to go wrong. It's a trade show. It's just how they go. But you can be ready for it by having a plan B and implementing that plan B when things do go wrong to ensure that your presence at the trade show is still successful. Example, what happens if a light fixture breaks? It's a good idea to have a toolkit, okay? And in it you want to have a screwdriver, a ruler, Velcro, pliers, batteries, battery chargers, box cutters, a little flashlight, anything else you can think of. Now during setup, I&D has everything you need, but once the show starts, they're gone. You're on your own. And trust me, instances will arise where you'd wish you had one of these. I learned this the hard way. In another video, I'm going to talk about doing a dry run of the trade show before you even leave. And this should be part of your pre-planning phase with your staff, finding out how to react in situations if something does go wrong. But what happens if your giveaways, products, or God forbid, the booth itself doesn't arrive? It happens. What's your plan B? Now, if your giveaways don't arrive on time, make sure that you took enough extra ones with you on the plane to get you through the first day until they do arrive. Hey, even if it's a smaller giveaway or not the one you intended to give away, at least you're engaging with potential prospects and leads, and it'll get you through a day. If the display itself doesn't arrive, this rarely happens, by the way, you and your sales staff should have some extra retractable banners, and these can display your company information, and the best part of all is they're compact for travel. What happens if one of your reps gets sick and can't work the booth that day? Well, the fix for this begins before you even leave for the trade show. Take one more sales staff with you, one more than you actually need in case one gets sick. You can always find something for this extra person to do. You'll need a lot of help at the trade show booth. But overall, stay calm. Put plan B into action. Many times you'll be the only person to notice that something did go wrong. Continue executing your plan professionally and with poise, and you have nothing to worry about. I'll see you next time on the Trade Show Marketing Minute. And if you'd like to see other episodes, please visit fantastictradeshows.com/TMM. Or if you find these episodes valuable, fill in the form below and I'll send you a thumb drive with all of the episodes we've done so far, plus bonus content that we haven't even released yet. Absolutely free.